very important when you do change the drain line out that it makes an arch at the top above this right here. If not, it will back siphon and it will just drain a little bit. It will not drain completely.
So where's the arch?
This tube right here coming out of the side wall from where the dishwasher is.
The white one?
Yes.
Okay.
It goes up and then back down to the junction.
And that's the arch?
Yes, the arch is up here.
Uh-huh.
It goes up and around.
What was it doing before?
I had it on the bottom because I was lazy.
All right, so up and around. That'll make sure it drains.
Right.
Okie dokie.
Great job, babe. You want to give it a thumbs up? Thanks.